Hey guys, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, and in today's video I want to teach you how to be able to create an amazing 3D book cover mock-up without having to be some super awesome artist or even have access to a professional photographer. With this, you'll be able to take your ebook cover file like this and quickly turn it into something that looks like this, or even something as cool as this. Now I'm sure you know that having some amazing picture of your book looking like this will be able to help with your advertisements or on your websites, or just even getting people on your email list to click and buy your book. But the coolest part is in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways that you can create these types of files for very cheap but still pretty awesome looking. If you like this kind of video or would like to learn more about book marketing, please be sure to click the subscribe button below as well as the little bell so that you get an update the next time a Kindlepreneur video comes out. And with that, let's begin. Now, the first way to be able to create an amazing 3D book mock-up cover is to first access a mock-up file. If you click the link below in the description, we have a whole list of free ones that you can access so you can download them and use them how you like. Once you've done that, use a software like Photoshop or any other software that will open up a PSD file, right-click and open it in that software, and then you should be able to see on the right side or wherever the layers are, the ability to open up the mock-up file and click and drag your book cover into it. This will automatically put your cover where it should be in the mock-up file. Once you've done this, go ahead and click and save as a .png or .jpeg. And now you have a wonderful mock-up. Now, if you don't have a software like Photoshop, that's okay, because in number 2, all you have to do is take that same mock-up file, go to Fiverr and find somebody there who will be able to then convert that PSD and your ebook cover file into a wonderful mock-up file. Another thing is that there are some Fiverr people out there who you don't need the mock-up file for because they already have them. You just select which one you want and you send them your book cover and they'll put it in there for you. And the third and final way to create an amazing book mock-up is to use a service like Placeit.net. Placeit.net allows you to choose some amazing pictures, and for only $8 per picture, you can quickly take your file, drag it right on to where they tell you to, and they will place it right in there. Just with a click of a button, you now have an amazing book mock-up. So there you have it, guys. 3 easy ways to create some phenomenal book mock-ups that will either help you with your advertisement, placement on your website, or just convincing your friends and family or followers to purchase your next book. But let's take this a step further. Did you know that you can also do book mock-ups for courses, software, or even on CDs? That's right. So when you go to one of those 3 things that we talked about, you can also use it for other things. So make sure to keep that in mind as you create your next project. And with that, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, signing off. Cheers.